We are set, ready to rock for this Madden Ultimate Team matchup, and these guys on your screen ready to rock as well. Some of the stars of today's game at 4th and a yard. Mariota, and they hit him as he throws.
Before he secured it.
And this one is right down the middle. They're indeed going. It's Mariota. And this is incomplete.
Must feel like, hey, we're in great shape here because our defense can hold them because they're really outside a field goal.
And he's free going down the left side. It's a foot race. Touchdown. They'll throw again. Mariota.
And because of that speed, you have to respect.
It comes, and he lost the football. Newton, and he will take it in.
And if you throw the football and it's incomplete, now you've stopped the clock and you've helped out the guys on the other side of the